Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the past perfect tense. What is the past perfect tense? The past perfect is a verb tense used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. The past perfect formula. The formula for the past perfect tense is had plus past participle. It doesn't matter if the subject is singular or plural. The formula doesn't change. How to make the past perfect affirmative. To form the past perfect affirmative, we use subject plus had plus the past participle. For example, she had done her homework when I came. How to make the past perfect negative. To form the negative, simply add not after had. Subject plus had plus not plus past participle. We can also use the contractions hadn't. For example, she hadn't done her homework when I came. How to make the past perfect interrogative. To form questions, use had plus subject plus past participle. For example, had she done her homework when you came? The past perfect and the present perfect are used in the same way. However, the past perfect refers to a time in the past, while the present perfect refers to a time in the present. Other usages of the past perfect tense. To talk about something started in the past and still continued to a given time in the past. For example, I had learned English for 10 years. To talk about something happened before another action in the past. For example, my mom had come home before it rained. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.